because there will be a development for army tourism. If you know Sulats also, which pioneered also with ako the big kid, no? Ako sa big kid, I talked to Pastor Rani De Vera. He told about ako the big kid, they are the first pioneer missionary, no, of Sulats, and they are also doing Sulats in Mindanao. So this is our side. If you go to the cross, that is the good mana Ikukam. At the top part. Now, there is a masjid. The masjid is a place where Abu Sayyaf was there always. Because this is the mountain, last na conquer sa military. Last na conquer sa military because it is really high, no? High. And this is the very place also when you hear the news about the Canadian who was, giputol ang ulo, and they found the body in the below. Muna siya ma-place. And I met some of former reverend, no? Nga sila yung mismo ang kanang nasa video bitaw kanang bitaw sa una Abu Sayyaf kanang pagkuan pusil-pusil sila yung mo ang place, no? Mo ang place. And there is also a way na muna siya ang ambusyanan. And one of our pioneers sa Sulats there is kuntan nila sila o special forces. Why? Because abaka. If magkanaas dali ang abaka, giingnan na sila dan, hapak na gyud mo sir. Hapak na gyud mo, kaya naman, kami na bahala ninyo. Basta hapak na gyud mo. Kay makita nila magkanaas, meaning ambusan na sila. No? Ambusan na sila. So, dihami. If you heard about family, they'll be massacred because they are working with the government. Kurot sila tanan. Family, after Ramadan, mag-celebrate mo na sila after Ramadan, kay naama sa iftar which we celebrated also together with them. Pagkado na mo dito, patay. Gipatay sila before 2016 to 2020, no? So we traveled there by boat, no? By boat mo ni ang ang giadto, no? So wala there is no comfort in traveling to Sulu, no? Kani nga time gitabangan nami sa wala gyud kay boat, gitabangan nami sa soldier, no? We went to Sulu together with my wife and together with one pastor also, Pastor Deha from US, and one of former Solans also. So this is Good Mana. Good Mana is an organization partner with Sulats who create livelihood, who create wellness center and agriculture. So we partner with them. Friends, Talipaw, Sulu, or Upper Sulumaan in Sulu, mangutana ang naa sa downtown na nanong naamo mo dito. Even, same pausog nila, dili sila usaka dito sa Upper Sulumaan, Talipaw. Why? Mahal, they were afraid. Why? Because that is the place na unsa man. Dangerous kayo. So if ever makabalo sila na, uy, asang kagikan? You are from dito sa Upper Sulumaan? It's like you are a crazy person going there sa Upper Sulumaan kahit dangerous kayo ang place, no? There is one time na niato mi dito, taga-asa mo. Okay, if ever you are mag-Bisaya ka, feel nila na you are a tourist, no? A tourist. Anyway, it is a tourist spot now. Sulu is very beautiful place. So ano siya? Sulats mo? Kaya naman, only Sulats went there for the community. Why? Because even the government wala really act dito for the education of children. Friends, even healthcare, this place are despised because even same tribe with them cannot go there because they are afraid. You know what happened? I will show you. So I will show you a video. Wait. I will show you a video. What is Sulats? What is Good Mana? You will hear a lot of video this morning.
Ang sulo is kung palitan ilang downtown mo sipulan ang mainit sa ilaha bukid na may anak kayo dayon kuyaw na dagan na rebelde.
This good man.
Grabe oh.
From the mountains of mission work in Tula, where education first opened doors through Tula, another movement light began to grow. Not of fundamentals, but of nurture, not of conflict, but of care. When the Tula field was opened, it gave birth to a ministry of healing and hope, Buwan Man. From arms to farms, from fighters to farmers, from terrorism to tourism, from war zones to smoke-free zones. In a land once marked by tension and threat, we might have learned something different: health, wellness, and sustainable living. At the heart of its mission stands a wellness center, right in the middle of the Luzon community, in Upper Sinaloa, Balibo, Sulu. Here, healing is not just physical, it is relational, it is spiritual, it is calm. Beyond its walls, an organic garden flourishes, not merely as a farm, but as a classroom without
Muslim nga way
walls.
iniskwilahan.
The soil becomes a nursery, the harvest becomes gold. Families learn sustainable agriculture, healthy living, and the rise in the dignity of God on the earth. This is holistic ministry, nurturing body, mind, and life together. And as in all true mission work, God opens doors in unexpected ways. It was through the blood of Mr. Selwyn South that divine connections were formed. With courage and faith, she breached relationships with the government officials in Sudan, opened doors for validation, trust, and shared vision. What began as a simple visit became a partnership for community transformation. Today, Budmana serves under the leadership of Adventist-Muslim Relations through the Zamboanga Peninsula Mission, serving through compassion, presence, and genuine relationships. Here, the gospel is lived before it is spoken. Because true transformation does not begin with structures, it begins with trust. Budmana believes in a simple vision, making every home a wellness home. Budmana. Here,
That is good, mana. So you know what are the words? Let's proceed. There will be more videos. Key principles every youth should consider we despise. This place are despised, but these people are there to risk their lives for this community. Friends, when I was there, I was telling myself, because I was together with one architect also from Bohol, and she is not a Seventh-day Adventist. She was telling me, sir, I cannot understand why these people risk their life for this community. And even the government telling who is these people who risk their lives for the community. The key principles, let's proceed. The key principles you should consider when despise. First, the speech, conduct, love, and faith and purity, as we read in the 1 Timothy 4 verse 12. Speech. The tongue praise of our Lord Father, and with it we curse human beings, and we have been made in God's likeness. Friends, our speech is very important in doing mission.